Hey guys, welcome back. It's your girl Katie here. And today I'm going to be doing an unboxing of April's Boxycharm base box. And this is the $25 a month box here. I've already done an unboxing of my premium box, so if you want to see that video, I'll link it up below. I'll link it up in the cards or down below. So yeah, let's just go ahead and get right on into this video. You guys know the drill. I'm going to be doing an unboxing part first, and then after the unboxing part, I will do a trying on of everything, which is why I don't have all my makeup on right now. Because I did go ahead, take a sneak peek just to see what products I would be trying on and what I would need to leave off. So yeah, that's why I'm barefaced right now. Alright, let's just go ahead and get right on into this. Alright, so of course they have cards in here. Here's one for just promotional for the makeup wipe remover eraser thing. And then here's the actual card, which is Festival Vibes is the theme. It's the exact same theme as the Boxycharm premium box. Same card, but of course different products. Alright, so first thing in here that I see, which honestly guys, from the look of it, there's only going to be about 2 products that I'm going to be actually trying out today, which is a little disappointing, but that's okay. Alright, so first up is this Sunset makeup eraser wipe thing. So it's basically the makeup eraser, but it's in a different color than the original one. I think the original one is pink, and this one is multicolored. I'll pull it out just so you guys can see. But here it is. I mean, it's very cute. I actually have one of these, and I've never used it. I don't have this exact color. I have the pink one, and it's still in my bathroom, and it's been there ever since I received it, I think, in my FabFitFun box, and I've never used it. I should probably try it out, but just haven't gotten around to it yet. I honestly don't think I will be keeping this. I'll probably end up passing this on to a family member or a friend. Alright, and this retails for $22. Alright, so next up is by Benefit, and is the Professional Pore Primer. It's just a primer. I know that this one had 2 options. You could have gotten this one or the hydrating one. I would have honestly preferred to have gotten the hydrating one because you guys know I have dry skin, but I will be testing this out today just to see if it works for me. I don't really know how it's going to work because I do have dry skin, so I hope it doesn't dry me out. But here it is, so I'll of course be trying that on in a little bit. And this retails for $32, which that does not seem very big for something that would cost $32, to be completely honest. It's 0.75 fluid ounces, which is not, it's not even a full, I don't know, just doesn't seem very big. It almost seems like a travel size or something, but I've never bought one of these or gotten one of these before, so I don't know if this is, I'm assuming this is full size considering the price, but it just seems awfully small. Alright, next is by Elemis, and this is the Superfood Calm Cleansing Foam. It's a very pretty green bottle. Now, I know the other thing you could have gotten was, I know the other items you could have gotten was a moisturizer, an Elemis moisturizer, or a palette. And in the options, I'm pretty dang sure that I picked the palette, but I'm not 100% sure. And I don't know if maybe I picked the palette, but I picked too late or something, and they were already out of all the palettes. I don't really know. All I know is I got the cleanser, which I'm not horribly mad about. Like, I don't have a ton of cleansers. I have a ton of moisturizers, but I don't have a ton of cleansers, so I mean, I'll use this. But I don't know, I feel like Boxycharm hasn't really been giving people what they've been picking, which is pretty irritating, because they're one of their main one of their advertisements is that you get to pick now, and it doesn't seem like you always, even if you do pick, it doesn't guarantee that you're going to get what you picked. So that's kind of annoying. But anyways, this cleanser here retails for $32. Which actually I'm surprised because I thought Elemis was a lot more expensive, so I expected this to be like way more than that. I mean, I'm not mad that it's that price. It's just, I don't know, I was expecting higher price for that. Alright, 2 more products, then I'm moving on. Alright, next up is by Lavish, and this is a brush set. Now, I feel like Boxycharm has really been handing out the brush sets lately, because I know in my Boxy Premium I got a brush set in there too. But this is a 5-piece set, and this supposedly retails for $29.99. There's no way I would pay that much for this. Let me get you guys the brushes out. I mean, I'd never heard of the brand Lavish, and these brushes do not look anything special. They look pretty cheap in my opinion. They look like Moda brushes, and Moda brushes are, well, I don't know how much Moda brushes are. They might be around the same price. I thought they were supposed to be more, I thought that was like a drugstore brand, but I don't know. Anyways, nothing special about these brushes in my opinion. They're all brush styles that I've received in Boxycharm before. I've gotten this style before, just a flat kind of blending brush and a blending brush and a very detailed one. I mean, this is a nice set if you don't have brushes that are detailed, like for detailed looks, then this would be great. But I've received several of brushes like this. I've received Luxie brushes from them that are like that style. I've received a Moda brush set here that is very similar to this one right here. So this is just nothing out of, I don't know. I like brushes, but I would like a variety of different style of brushes, and I feel like we keep getting the same ones. This one here looks really bad, in my opinion. I'm going to give you guys a closer up view of it. But, like, the bristles just look very stiff and, like, rigid. I don't know. This does not look like a great brush. It almost looks like it has something in it. Like maybe glue or something. I don't know, and I'm just flicking it and I can see fibers coming off. I don't know. Not impressed with that, and especially for that price, there's just no way I would pay that much for that. So, not impressed with this. I mean, I'll use them, but... Alright, and last but not least is probably the product that I'm most excited about in this whole entire box, is by Iconic London, and it is the liquid highlighter here. This retails for $41, which doesn't surprise me. Iconic's very expensive, but this is a liquid highlighter. I'm not a huge fan of liquid highlighters, but I have heard about these and I wanted to try them. So I'm excited to receive it in here in Boxycharm. This lid's not screwing down. Alright, I'm swatching it here. Ooh, boy, that is pretty. There it is. Very, very pretty. I might have to turn my lights down. But there it is. Very, very pretty. And I am excited to have gotten this in the box. And I'll be trying that out today, of course. Alright, so that is everything in the box. I'm going to tally everything up now and see what the overall value of the box is. Alright, so the overall value for my box is $156.99. Which is, it's a pretty good box value overall. Honestly, guys, not blown away with this box at all. I feel like this box was very lacking in makeup products. I mean, out of the 5 products here. Only 2 were makeup and the others were makeup related. You know, this is brushes and then a cleaner, which really I don't think this really adds to the box at all. Maybe the brushes, you know, other people would be pretty excited to get brushes. I just have a lot already. I mean, I'm glad that I only got one skincare item. I know a lot of other variations you could have gotten quite heavy in the skincare section, which I don't know. It just depends on the person, I guess. Some people like a lot of skincare, and some people like a lot of makeup. I like kind of a balance of both, and I don't feel like this box was balanced at all very well. So that being said, I am going to go ahead and try the 2 products out that are makeup, and I'll just give you my, if you guys want updates on the other products, I can do that later on, but alright. So yeah, let's just go ahead and move on to the trying on portion now. Sorry if, I don't know, I'm not very positive about this box. I mean, I'm not going to lie to you guys. If I'm not happy with something, I'm going to straight up tell you guys I'm not happy with something. And honestly, I feel like right now, Boxycharm is really blowing it, so to say, when it comes to their base box. Their base boxes have really not been impressive since they came out with the Boxycharm Premium, which is really sad because I feel like if they already have, you know, if they're going to come out with another box, that's fine, but you shouldn't neglect the other box, the people that are subscribed to the other box. And I feel like all the good products are now going into the Boxy Premium, which I think is pretty sad because, I don't know, that's just my thoughts. I'm going to stick around with this base box for a little bit longer. If I get what I picked for May's option, I'm going to be pretty happy, but if I don't, I think I'm going to be really mad. Alright, so going in with this primer, it's supposed to fill in your pores, which I do have quite a few big pores over here on my cheeks area and then my nose, so I'm curious to see if this is actually going to do anything, and hopefully it won't dry me out or anything, but we're just going to see. So it's just kind of like just your typical pore filler primer. Which honestly, I'm not a huge fan of pore filling primers because I feel like they clog my pores afterwards and that can cause breakouts and things, but maybe this one won't do that. I guess I just need to make sure after this to really clean my skins to make sure nothing gets left in there. I do feel like it is kind of minimizing my pores a little bit. It's making my skin feel really smooth, but some of them they filled in and others that are just too big, I guess it's not really doing that good of a job. Maybe I just need to keep layering it. I don't know. I've not used a pore filling primer really before. I mean, it makes my skin feel super smooth. So like it says, I think it did say on here that it's supposed to be smoothing. Yeah, it's just supposed to minimize fine lines, pores, all that good stuff. Alright guys, so it's all on now. Honestly, it did a bit of smoothing out, but if you're someone that don't have large pores like me, then this will work great on you. But for me, who has large pores, it did smooth some of it out, but it's not taking them all away. I can still see large pores in my areas right here, which I really didn't expect it to do much. And it did kind of bring out some dry areas in my face, which I thought it might. It's not uncommon for primers like this to do that to me, which is normally why I don't use primers like this, because they just, if I have any dry areas, even if I moisturize before, which I normally do, if I put primers on like this, it just clings to it and it accentuates it again. So that's why I was really hoping for the hydrating one, because I think this would be great for someone who maybe has oily skin or something, or who just someone who doesn't have dry skin. But for me, it's not the worst. I mean, it's not terrible. I've seen a lot worse primers out there, but I just don't know how much use I'm going to be getting out of this. Alright, so now I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of my face real quick, besides the highlighter. I'll leave the highlighter for the last part. So BRB. Alrighty guys, and that is everything. That is everything that I'm able to try out today. So let me just do kind of like a review of everything. Honestly guys, I'm not impressed with this box at all. And although I'm not impressed with it, I'm not necessarily mad about it, because the only reason is I have both premium and I have the base box, and I was pretty happy with my premium box, so I feel like because of that happiness for that box, this box I'm not impressed with, but I'm not like mad about it. Now, if I have only had the base box, I think I would be really disappointed with Boxycharm this month. But like I said, because I have both of them, I got good stuff this month, I feel, in my premium box, so that kind of, I don't know. Does that make any sense? But I would, if I didn't have my premium box, I'd be really disappointed with Boxycharm this month. Like I said, 3 out of the 5 products, there's 3 that are not makeup. I wouldn't consider this makeup. This is skincare, and then 2 beauty-related products, and then the actual 2 makeup products that I got. The primer's okay. I mean, I'll try it out. I'm glad I'm getting to try it out because I have heard a lot of good stuff about this. I just think that this is not the right choice for my skin type. I really wish they would have sent me the hydrating one, because that would be perfect for me, because I am a dry girl. And I am pretty excited to have gotten this. I think this really makes the whole box for me. I mean, the value of this product here is $41, and I only paid $25. So I feel like I got this basically on sale, and the rest of the products are kind of like bonus products. So I don't feel like I got ripped off, honestly. I feel like I still got my money's worth. It's just not the choices that I would have chose for me. Because I think there were more makeup products, or there are other options that were more makeup. Like, which one is it? I think instead of getting the brushes, is it brushes? Yeah, I think the other option, instead of the brushes, it could have been a lipstick, and I would have much preferred the lipstick over the brushes. So I don't know. What did you guys think? Did you guys get this month's base box? And what did you guys think of it? I feel like Boxycharm's base box is going downhill pretty quickly. And I feel like it's because of the premium box that they're putting all their efforts into the premium box, which I really don't think is right. But that's just my personal opinion. I'm not going to cancel for now. I'm going to give it a couple more months, and if the base box is just really disappointing, then I probably will just cancel the base box and just stick with the premium box. But yeah, that is going to conclude today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like seeing these types of videos, and also let me know your thoughts down in the comments about what you guys thought of this month's box. But yeah, don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Subscribe to my little family here on YouTube. But other than that, guys, I hope you guys are doing well and staying safe, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye!